In terms of working with Industry Forum, a very professional organisation, obviously well ingrained within the automotive industry, well respected. In terms of managing the programme, the people that actually help us develop the team leader programme, the people who delivered it and conducted the follow-ups were very professional.
Working with Industry Forum has given us a level of professionalism in training, which is something that we've perhaps lacked, and it's been an easy access to those skills and a go-to for information and how to get things done properly. Yeah, well, it was useful to have a provider and trainers come in that had seen companies going through some of the changes we were moving from a small company into a larger company and taking on a larger variety of work, and so they could appreciate the challenges we were facing rather than the challenges a larger company might be facing, and you wouldn't recognise the company now.
Industry Forum are really quite unique in the trainers that they use. They're all people who've got real life experience, they've been there, they've done it themselves, so that immediately gains the respect of our team when they're actually being trained. Far too often it's come from academia, and that's not what we need.
The special magic they brought to the implementation of it was the constant recalibration of what they were doing to ensure that it met what we needed. We were going on this journey together, but what we had in Industry Forum was very, very capable and experienced skills development facilitators. And
they're very good at teaching people on the job, rather than death by PowerPoint. There wasn't just a load of PowerPoints. They were really good with interacting with people. The engineer we had to do the Lean Masterclasses was great. He actually got stuck in, we actually did some 5S activities with them, so yeah, it was really good.